me and my friend found a game-breaking glitch in the Shores of Gold Tall Tales in Sea of Thieves. Glitch basically does it so you get double the progress. And if you're going to get the Gold Curse in Sea of Thieves, which is a really hard item to get, you need to complete every Tall Tale in the Shores of Gold sequence 5 times. And right here we're doing it, so you basically give the item to the NPC, the last item in the Tall Tale, and then you kill you and your teammate. I don't know if you can do it solo, but we did a duo and we killed me and my teammate. So we went to the ferry, and while they're speaking, we basically just go back, and when we're back, we just wait for the guy to stop speaking, and we basically end up having another checkpoint when they're done, so we can just start the Tall Tale again, but at the end, and just finish the Tall Tale again. And a thing so you can see if it's working, you can see the thing that says Tall Tale progress. If there's if it's on my screen and there's no circle, it means that you did it right. So it says you have no checkpoints, but you're at the end. Now the Tall Tale is done and we get the commendations and everything, but now when we go into it again, we have a checkpoint to the end. So we just start this thing, we vote for it, and then we get the Shroudbreaker Stone and we can just do the same thing again. You can only do this one time, so you can't stack it forever and you complete it 5 times for only completing one. So you can only do it one time and then it counts for 2, but you can for your next run do it again and then it counts for 2. So for 2 you can get 4, for 3 you can get 6, and everything towards and towards. And here we're testing if you can do it again. So as you can see, the guy is stopped talking and we completed it again. So now it counts for 2 for us only doing it once. But as you can see, there's no checkpoint again. So it doesn't work 3 times, only 2 times. You only get it for 2. And as you can see, it counted for 2 times completed. You can see it right now. It counted for 2 times complete, but we only did the Tall Tale once. So it's a very good trick, and if you're going to get the Gold Curse, you need to use this before it gets patched.